Yo, what's up guys? This is Hark from SSW. Today I'm going to do some vibe blogging. I'm going to set up my own blog with TinaCMS and GitHub Copilot. I know there are other options like Medium, WordPress and Wix, but I want to own the content and I actually want to use AI to customize it to my style. And you will see how easy it is to use AI with TinaCMS. Get ready for some vibes. Let's roll the intro, Mr. Editor. So now you can see I am on Vibe Coding with TinaCMS documentation on tina.io. And here we have clear best practices, how to start vibe coding, like having agents.md file, planning before prompting, and build in bite-sized pieces. This is all great. But hey, as we are vibing today, so I'm going to free solo this whole blog just by prompting. So what I'm gonna do, I will copy this starter prompt and paste in my VS Code and Copilot agent and let it cook. So let's jump to VS Code. So I have opened VS Code and I'm using GitHub Copilot in agent mode with Claude Opus 4.6. You could also use Claude Code or any other AI tool. So now I'm going to paste that prompt from the Tina docs and let it cook. And I'm gonna press enter here. So now it is asking me to allow to run this command. I'm gonna allow it. And now it is asking us to which package manager would you like to use. I'm gonna use pnpm, who still uses npm in 2026. So let's go down and select pnpm. And what is your project name? I'm gonna give it beautiful Hark. And what's the starter template? I'm gonna keep it to Next.js starter. Press enter. So I can see it is done building the project. On the right hand side you can see all these files in the folder beautiful Hark. I'm not gonna look into the code at all. Let's close this file explorer. And you can see GitHub Copilot is also giving us commands to run the project. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna open my terminal. You can see this is my terminal. Let me zoom in a little bit and then I'm gonna paste this and press enter. So it is gonna start the development server and then it's gonna give us a local link. So this is our local link. I'm gonna press command click. So there it is, a Tina starter template with orange theme and some boilerplate components. But I want to change this to my style. So let's do that now in our next prompt. So next I'm going to ask AI to change the homepage styling and content. So I have written down the next prompt. This is not a bite-sized prompt because I am pushing AI here all in one go. So I am asking it to do 4 things. Change the primary theme to red, change the theme to dark color, and then replace the entire homepage to my style and only have my title Hark Singh and subtitle His Holy Harkness, High Priest of Vibe Coders. And then at last I'm asking it to change the icon and emoji. So I'm gonna press enter. So it is done changing the homepage. So let's go back to the browser and refresh. And here it is. I don't even need to refresh. And first of all, you see this big Hark Singh written and our subtitle, His Holy Harkness, High Priest of Vibe Coders. And it also changed this theme to black. And you can see a book icon here and fav icon in the tab. This is looking pretty sick. Let's move ahead to blog page. So now I am on the blog page and you can see these couple of blog posts already added when we created our Tina project. Now I want to add a new blog post about vibe coding. So I'm going to jump back to VS Code and ask Copilot to write a new blog post for me. So I have written down the next prompt, which will create a new blog post. The style should be inception, like I'm vibe coding a blog while writing a blog about vibe coding that blog.
You mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling.
And the last thing, I'm experimenting with AI limits here. I'm asking it to look at the whole chat and copy all the previous prompts and add it to my blog so that anyone can read and copy the prompts directly from my blog post. So I'm gonna hit enter and let it cook some inception style blog. Let's go back to the browser and hit refresh. So this is the browser and you can see it has added the new post here. I'm going to click on it and here it is. Let's do some vibe blogging with TinaCMS and GitHub Copilot. It has also given me as author, and let's quickly walk through some parts of the blog post. I can also see that it has given us the steps which I followed in this video. It has given us the prompts and the commands which we run, and then this one is for the home page, and this one is for our inception styled blog post. And then let's at the end it says Hark Singh typed by Vibes powered by TinaCMS. Alright, so I like the blog post, but I noticed this one big problem, not a single image in our blog post. So now I'm going to use Tina editor to add image to my blog post. Let's go back to our Chrome browser. To go to the Tina editor, we need to go to our /admin route and press enter, and you will see this editor opens here, and on the right side this is our preview pane. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and then I can go to this blog page and to our blog post, and you can see it immediately opens all the fields which we can edit. We can edit the title here, and we can edit the author, the date, but I want to add an image. So what I'm gonna do is, even before the main title, I'm gonna put a big image. So you can see all of these components I can add with Tina editor. I can even ask AI to make me custom components, but for now I'm gonna use this image component. I'm gonna add a image from one of the previous posts. So let's add this cool image, and then I'm gonna press insert, and you see this image is added immediately. I can also hit save, and it will also change in my code file. So those were some vibes. I went from zero to fully customized blog with just by prompting, and the whole thing lives in my GitHub. I own the content, and I can keep on asking AI to add anything like animations and other custom components. For the content editing, I can use TinaCMS editor. And I have taken this further, improved my blog, and deployed it to production. And I have used Tina Cloud for media management. The link is in the description. You guys should give it a read. It'll make you smile. This was Hark from SSW, and if you guys also want to feel these vibes, go do some vibe blogging.
Check it. Sing is the king. Check the record.